All right, doing a little oil change on the adventure van. It's a 2023 all-wheel drive. And using the Mercedes dealer supplied filter. Came with the little crush washer. Still letting just the last bits of oil drip out, not much. And then I'll plug the hole here and clean that up. And up here, the oil filter on my 2023 is that nice clean looking round filter there. It takes a 27 millimeter socket to release that. Of course, the fill is here. And so I'm just wrapping up. Probably the hardest part is getting that filter in and out. It's like a tight spot, but very doable. So it's great to do your own maintenance. Saves a lot of money. Probably saved me $200, $300. Cheers.